PM Modi sent condolence message on the death of former Minister Satpal Sangwan, BJP President, Deputy Speaker, MLA and many other leaders and social organizations paid tribute. Charkhi Dadri. The country's Prime Minister Narendra Modi has sent a condolence message on the death of Charkhi Dadri's two-time MLA and former Cooperative Minister Satpal Sangwan. In a letter sent to the former minister's Dadri MLA's son Sunil Sangwan, he has written that his death has caused a great loss to the society. The work done by him for the needy people will always be remembered. In a letter sent by Prime Minister Narendra Modi to his MLA's son Sunil Sangwan, it is written that it is deeply saddening to know about the death of your father Satpal Sangwan. My condolences are with the family in this difficult time. Satpal Sangwan, who was rich in simple nature, discharged various responsibilities in public life efficiently. The work done by him for the needy people will always be remembered. His death is a big loss for the society. He was a foundation and source of inspiration for the family. On Wednesday, BJP State President Mohanlal Baroli, who reached the residence of MLA Sunil Sangwan to express condolences, described former Minister Satpal Sangwan as a better leader of the state and said that the party has suffered a great loss due to his loss. Satpal Sangwan was a veteran leader of the BJP party and his thinking has always been to take development forward in public interest. On this occasion, many leaders, social organizations including Deputy Speaker, MLAs reached and expressed condolences on the demise of former Minister Satpal Sangwan and paid tribute. On this occasion, Deputy Speaker of the Assembly Krishna Kumar Midha, former Minister and BJP National Secretary Om Prakash Dhankar, former Minister Manish Grover, Subhash Batra, Hansi MLA Vinod Dhyana, Jagadhari MLA Akram Khan, Nalwa MLA Rindhari Paneha, former MLA of Gohana Jagbir Malik, former MLA Dharampal Sangwan, BJP leader Babita Phogat, former student leader Sampuran Singh, BJP State Vice President Satish Nandal, BJP leader Sanjay Kablana, Jail Superintendent Surendra Dalal, Rohtak Ba President Lokendra Phogat etc. reached and paid tribute.
Good morning everyone. Officials should take the problems of Samadhan camp seriously. No officer should delay the complaint of the Samadhan camp. Take every complaint coming in the Samadhan camp seriously and take action on it within the time limit. If there is a matter related to any scheme and any case is pending in the court, then prepare its report immediately and send it. SDM Ashish Sangwan have given these instructions to the officials of the concerned departments while listening to the complaints of the people in the Samadhan camp. He said that on the instructions of Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini, a new system has been made by the state government for the speedy resolution of the complaints of the people, and the government has clear instructions regarding this, that these complaints should be resolved with seriousness. In such a situation, no official should keep the complaint sent to him for more than prescribed time and also ensure that the complaints are resolved quickly. If there is any complaint which is related to the scheme and a case is going on the court regarding it, then its action taken report should also be made available immediately. Samadhan camps are being organized continuously in the district and subdivision Badda in Charkhi Dadri, and the people coming these camps are also getting a lot of relief. Pupils' pension categories is being made on the spot. New connections are being given under electricity related complaints. Not only this action is also being taken to provide financial assistance to eligible people under government schemes. Most of the complaints in the camp are related to police, family ID, ration card, pension given by the social welfare department, transformer of land, etc. National Lok Adalat to be organized on 8 March. is per the instruction of Haryana State Legal Services Authority. National Lok Adalat will be organized in the Judicial Complex on 8 March 2025. In this Lok Adalat, pending cases in various courts will be settled with the mutual consent of both the parties. Secretary and CGM of District Legal Services Authority Sanjeev Kajla said that National Lok Adalat will be organized at the district level on 8 March. Lok Adalat is a system of alternative dispute resolution which has established itself as a better option in matters of resolution of cases with changing times in India. Lok Adalat not only resolve pending disputes or disputes arising between the parties, but it also ensures social harmony as disputing parties resolve their matters amicably to their full satisfaction. He said that National Lok Adalat is organized to settle the pending cases in the court through mutual cooperation and amicable means. In Lok Adalat, disputes are settled in the cordial atmosphere with the consent and agreement of both the parties. This provides benefits like quick and easy justice, no appeal, final settlement, saving of time in National Lok Adalat. Cases related to bank loans, motor accident, ANI Act, criminal, revenue, matrimonial disputes are settled. AGPL Expo 2025 fair is being organized from 21 to 23 March at the Vegetable Excellence Center, Dharonda Canal. Each which awards will be given for vegetable potato beekeeping applications have been invited from farmer for the award by the department. The last date for application is 13 March 5:30 p.m. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma said that the government is promoting becoming the vegetable farming to increase the income of farmers. Due to this, the 11th Mega Vegetable Expo 2025 fair is being organized from 22-23 at the Vegetable Excellence Center, Dharonda Canal, in which excellent vegetable and beekeepers from across the state will participate. The best award for vegetable potato beekeeping will be given during the fair. He said that for applications, farmers can download the form from heartharyana.gov.in. Contact the district horticulture officer's office. Applications can be made till 5:30 p.m. on March 13. After this, no application will be considered by the department. For award applications, farmers can contact the department toll-free number 180018022211. Investigation of illegal mining continues. The Department of the Mines and Geology is working with full diligence to stop illegal mining in the district and curb mineral transportation without e-Ravana. Action is being taken in the district on the instructions of Director General of Department K.M. Pandurang. The employees of the department are working day and night regarding illegal mining. In this episode, the employees of the department checked 15 vehicles, in which all the vehicles were found to be carrying minerals with e-Ravana bill. Apart from this, the mining area is being inspected repeatedly. The action is being taken to ensure that mining has not take place outside the prescribed area. So, thank you so much. Take care. Bye. See ya. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.